Hello, I'm Dr. Dooley. This is my partner, Dr. O'Brien. We're going to take you through our office and show you what we have to offer.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? Here's our practice, Integrated Physical Medicine of Dayton, formerly known as Chiropractic Associates of Centerville. The reasoning for the change in the name is we now offer more services, actually different than any other chiropractor does in Dayton, Ohio. As we go through a tour of the office, which I'm about to show you, I will explain what some of those services are and how we can offer more beneficial things to you to get better faster. So come on in here and let's take a quick tour. All right, here is the waiting room. Once you first come into the office, you will be greeted warmly by our very nice office staff who would be sitting here. You would simply provide your insurance card if you're being seen as an insurance patient. We accept most major medical insurances. We also treat workers' compensation individuals. We treat personal injury individuals, people in car accidents, basically everything across the board to offer the full amount of services to, again, rehabilitate your needs as necessary. Once you're done filling out your paperwork, there's minimal wait time. We'll get you back and I'm going to show you the rest of the office. I also want to touch on the fact that the same-day appointments that we do offer are not a problem at all. You can call in, we'll get you in right away. So come on back here, let's get going here. Okay, so our office is kind of split into two different aspects here. Here's the front office where the office staff would work with you once you've come in here. The front portion of the office down this hallway, there are two medical rooms right here that offer our medical services, of which I will get into later on in the video. But as a chiropractic patient, once you come in, you're going to come down this hallway, and I'll get down to those. Let's take a quick stop here. Here's one of the services we do offer. This is lumbar and spinal and cervical decompression therapy. This particular table is used for a large amount of problems that people present with. It could be some sort of a disc-related problem. It could be like some type of arthropathy, which would be an arthritis. All sorts of things associated with that to get you better quicker. Very, very inexpensive, covered by most major medical insurances. People get a lot of relief with this. So come on down here. We'll hang a left here. This is the passive therapy room. Passive therapies being basically therapies that are provided to the patient of which they just don't really have to do anything. They kind of have the therapy done to them. That would include one thing in particular, interferential current, which is commonly known as electrical stimulation. That therapy is basically used for a number of reasons. One is to help with acute-based inflammation. It kind of can calm down the muscles prior to an adjustment or a manipulation and help things go a little bit more smoothly. We also have ultrasound therapy on the top of that, as well as a therapy called combination therapy, which is basically good for both chronic and acute-based injuries. That ultrasound therapy is extremely beneficial, especially for individuals who've dealt with ongoing sports-related injuries. It could be some type of thing where you are just not getting the relief you're looking for at other offices. So something that's actually been very beneficial for myself with my sport career in the past. So yep, multiple bays for patients to be seen. Clearly we have lots of room for that. Here's a table here that's called intersegmental traction. Some people just call it a roller table. It's used to allow the individual to lay on their back, and a type of mechanical roller will go up and down your spine to basically assist more movement into areas that maybe are otherwise fixated or stuck. So to passively just allow the individual to loosen them up, maybe even prior to being adjusted. All right, let's head down here. There's 3 exam rooms, or 3 treatment rooms, if you will, in our office. The first one being in here. This is usually where the exams take place. In this office, once you come in, you will be thoroughly examined, and then at that point, a treatment plan or protocol will be put into place, which is not a cookie cutter plan. Every patient has a customized approach to get what they need to get better. Another adjusting room down into here, pretty similar. In this room, I will show you another therapy we do offer. This particular machine right here is a class 3B cold laser. And I think a lot of people have heard about laser therapy but don't understand it. A cold laser is different than that of a hot laser, as it's not a surgical based laser. This is good for basically every type of ailment you could be dealing with, whether it be some type of an acute injury, a soft tissue injury, a chronic injury. If you're looking for basically wound healing, it can help with that. It's good for getting much deeper into the cellular tissue, so it's better than putting heat on something. It's better going to be better than ultrasound therapy. Very effective, can help with fractures as far as speeding up the healing process. So definitely a sought after treatment, very inexpensive as well in our office from that point.